Hey everyone, it's Daniël-James. I am so sorry, I have to apologize. Who's this wild ginger guy, South African here in Colorado doing the thing? We're changing our venue for the Maximize AI workshop and we're at Projective Studios. If you're ready for a wild experience, and I'm not just saying it, every time people were here and doing this is the third time we're going around at it, and people walked away with relationships. They were focused more on how to bridge the gap, the 80% human versus 20% tech and AI. So the owner of the place, which we'll get a little sneak peek here, stay tuned for it, is gonna show us more about it. His brochure and everything is pretty aligned with our brand, right? So when you think about it, this is the perfect space for what we're doing. It's gonna live on live as well. And I'm just gonna chuck those and say, I appreciate you guys for even watching this. We're gonna pick up the litter, I promise. So let me jump right in and give you guys the tour. Come on. So if you've ever been to a place like this, it's very unique and it only exists here. So they have conference space, office space. This is going to be front of house for the event. And now you're going to have more questions about the event and the space. So what is this? Number one, it is a place where 25, 50, we can almost do 100 CEOs show up. We do online version of this and it's being shown right through the front of the immersive place that I want to get you to. So what we end up seeing is that to make an AI event even more effective, a space where you can have architecture, you can move and adjust what you're building without exploding your costs or losing out on that opportunity. So for example, they did some of the delivery rooms and you could see it on the floor. So we have it expanded on screen right here. And then from here, you actually walk into the space. And now when we're workshopping with the Max AI event, people are getting excited about it. We're going to sit at these different areas and we'll have sponsor content on the walls, main stage. There'll be a guest speaker, an in-person show up, engaged bonuses, little VIP merch packs. And I also mentioned the VIP lunch, which we'll have catered out at this area of the space. So number one, come and check this out, come and engage. The reasons you should engage too is the online version, you guys will have breakout rooms. The in-person version, we'll have the Wall of Jericho Joshua walk, where you pair up in twos and you just walk around the room. Because you're like, what, technology is a lot. I just want to know one thing I'm going to take to my team. And I'm going to use that workflow with them. And I'm not just going to be overwhelmed with tools and tech and all that jazz. So the last piece I want to add to the workshop engaged piece is, can you see yourself in the room? Do you need that next opportunity within this region or with whatever what you're doing to be a part of, to walk away with, to say, I was there and I did the thing. A lot of people did business from the event that we had done. And it's really about your origin story and where do you fit within this AI craze, and how do you take a breath and say, hey, I just want some peace of mind with my tech time and team. So there it is. You can check out, there is a sponsor engagement level, there is the online tickets, and then there's the VIP tickets. If you have questions, just shoot it out to the team. We can engage on that. And then just get moving on it, because one piece that you'll get is all access to the previous two workshops. So I haven't mentioned that in the other videos. You're going to get access to those two previous workshops. You'll get access to the post recording from the live event. And the way that I want to say goodbye is with a cheesy dance move recording from the live event. And the way that I want to say goodbye is with a cheesy dance move. But I want to see you. Don't be there. Be square. And let's make it happen, okay? But anyway, man, you guys, I do it for you. I do it for the love of the game. I do it because this is business. It gets real. I'm in the trench with you guys, and I want to unlock that with you in the room. So cheers, Daniël-James. I'll see you on the next one.